Hey everybody, so I got another quick little socket haul from Napa, some Carlyle sockets. These are 3/8 metric, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It has something to do with the last socket haul. Thank you guys for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope your guys' day is going pretty well. So I picked up some more sockets, and what happened is on the last video I explained during the video, it was the last Napa Carlyle haul, that as soon as the video was done I was going to go back, talk to my my rep, my Napa rep Gus, and ask him to order me the talls, or the deeps and the shallows, so that way I had the deep, shallow, and mid, or shallow, mid, and deep, or deep, mid, shallow, however you want to look at it. So he did get me the 1/4 inch, or the, not the 1/4 inch, but the 3/8. The 1/4 inch are on back order. He told me that he will get them sometime in the next 2 or 3 weeks or so. So the part number for the shallows, I'll just take the paper off. Is Sam 38012 Mary. It's a 12-piece 3/8 drive 6-point socket set metric. And the deeps is Sam David 38012 Mary. It's a 12-piece 3/8 drive 6-point. These are deeps. These are shallows. Previous video I showed you guys the and it should be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Should be the same sizes for the deeps. And I do a lot of work on vehicles with metric. When I come across a vehicle that I need more than the standard that I have, then I'll pick them up. But it's not a huge haul. The 1/4 inch version of the deeps and shallows are on their way. Goes from 8 to 19. That's what they look like. I also have some socket rails that should be here today. We'll do some videos on those. So these are the mids. These are mids in 1/4 inch. So the shallow and the deeps for this set, because these are 1/4 inch, will be here in 1 to 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that. And the reason I grabbed these, because these are the mids, and here are the shallows. And then I move the box out the way. Those are the deeps. Let me lift this up and move the tripod real quick. Shallow, mid, deep. And they're about the same. Difference in size. So the deep is about the same distance from the mid, and the mid is about the same distance from the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's interesting how the mid length comes with more. Shallows and deeps come from 8 to 19, no skips, where the mids go from 6 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So, on the mids you get a 6 and a 7, where on the rest they start at 8. But I'll grab the 19 from each one. So here is the 19 shallow, 19 mid, and 19 deep. You can see that they're pretty close to being the exact same distance apart between sizes. Let me see. A little over half an inch. The deep is actually a little bit bigger. It's 3/4. So even though to the eye it looks like they're the same, they're actually not. Five-eighths from the shallow to the mid, and 3/4 from the mid to the deep. But that was why I picked these up. So now I have, and these are all metric. Now I have shallow, mid, and deep. For 8 through 19. And then for mid I have 6 and 7. But that was the reason I picked them up. So the 1/4 inch set that I have sitting here, I'm waiting for the shallow, I have the mid, and I'm waiting for the deep. But I figured I would show you guys. All of these sockets are nice. I do have quite a bit of shallow sockets, but most of my shallow sockets my dad gave me when he retired and wasn't mechanicking anymore. And I got a lot of, 12 points. I got some e-torques. I have a lot of different variants of sizes. What I want to do is I want to organize this drawer because I have the nanos back here, nanos, and all my nanos are just hanging out on the top. Here's another set. These right here are nanos, but these two trays right here are taking way too much space. I can literally, for an example, these rails right here is the same space that these guys are taking up. So in reality, I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these rails right here and have a crap ton more sockets. And what I'm wanting to do is I'm thinking of getting rid of these large Osla tool trays, and the rails I bought are actually these style rails right here, but they're from Osla Tools, and they'll hold up 1/4 inch holds 27 or 28, it might be 24 sockets, I don't remember, and then the 3/8 holds 18, and then 1/2 inch holds like 16, something like that. I picked up a crap ton of them. I'm thinking maybe I can organize these. A lot of these are my swivels and my adapters, different sizes, 3/4 to 1/2 inch, 3/4 to 3/8, 3/8 to 1/2 inch, just reducers. I do have a bunch of sockets right here which are technically deeps. These are 1/4 inch, and they're a little bit taller than these mids. So technically, these 1/4 inch mids right here, the deeps that I'm going to get that are going to match these mids for these 1/4 inch are actually going to be taller than these sockets. So it never hurts to have a variety of sockets, but a lot of these sockets are mismatched. I want to reorganize them and put them into a nice, more organized, you know, by size and everything. I have some of my 3/4 sockets over here. I have a 3/4 socket here, and a variety of other sockets in here. So I want to just make it look a lot nicer, which is why I bought from Oslo Tools, you know, $12.99 per rail. You know, I bought 2 rails at $12.99, so 1/4 and 1/3/8, and then I bought the 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch set, which was $57 for basically 2 quarters, 2 3/8, and 1/2 inch rail. I bought them in red, and then I bought them in green, and I bought them in orange, and I'm thinking about buying them in the blue and the purple, just to have a bunch of extras. But I just figured I'd show you guys what's going on. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. I don't want the video to be too long, so please go like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And yes, these are all duplicates. I got shallow, mid, and deep in 3/8 of 8 to 19, and I got 6 and 7 on the mid, and same sockets, but they are in 1/4 inch. It's just gonna save time, you know. If I'm using a 3/8 tool and I need 3/8 amount of leverage, then I will use these. If I am using a 1/4 inch tool and I need 1/4 inch leverage, I will use the 1/4 inch sockets. I don't see the point in putting an adapter on a lot of things and then transitioning it, because all I have is 1/4 inch to go from 1/4 inch to 3/8 with an adapter and blah blah blah, just to get what I'm needing to take off. You know, it makes the sockets too long and everything else. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, hanging out with me today. Again, the 1/2 inch is SSD 38012M, Sam David 38012 Mary. And then the shallow is Sam 38012 Mary. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hope the information was helpful. They do not have the mid-length sockets in 1/2 inch though. They only have it in the 3/8 and the 1/4 inch. It doesn't matter if it's SAE or metric 1/4, metric, you know, standard, or metric 1/4, metric 3/8. They have it in the 1/4 inch SAE for shallow, mid, and deep, and they have it in the 3/8 for shallow, mid, and deep for the standard. They just don't carry the mid for some reason in the 1/2 inch drive. Just a little update. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!